Welcome to another MiruSuite tutorial. Today we're looking at using and setting up Multi-Speaker AutoCut. This mode is ideal for productions with multiple speakers. Think about podcasts, interviews, or town hall formats. Basically any setup with several stationary speakers, each equipped with their own microphone. We assign different roles to our devices. The stage camera captures the entire stage. The speaker camera shows one or more speakers and can be moved to them via presets. With as many cameras as you like, you can film as many speakers as you need. The AutoCut audio components map the created presets to the correct speaker. Optionally, you can also add picture-in-picture overlays, a presentation feed, or additional audience microphones. Let's start with the setup. We'll begin by adding a device. First up is the stage camera, and we add the corresponding video input, NDI in this case. We'll name this device Stage and enable the input. We can already select the correct switcher input here. Next, we add the speaker camera. For this, we select the AutoCut role Speaker, which immediately shows all required components. Again, we choose an NDI video input, rename our device, and enable the input component. We now add the PTZ controller, in this case, a Panasonic controller, to operate the PTZ camera. Once the IP is entered and the controller is enabled, we can move the camera. We add the person tracker and select the correct switcher input. A head tracking director is optional in this scenario. Now we create the relevant presets. We choose a perspective for our speaker on the right, Felix in this case, and save the position. Next, we select the position for Maddie and save that in its own preset as well. Now, we only need the audio devices. Select the AutoCut role Audio, then add the audio input and the audio analyzer. Make sure to pick the correct channels. You can verify this by looking at the level meter. In our example, it's channel 1. We disable React to Audience Sounds, since we don't have an audience in this case, and then select the correct preset. We repeat this step for the second channel with the respective other preset for Felix. Finally, give your devices clear, meaningful names. Next, we set up the switcher. In this example, we choose a vMix switcher and enter the IP address of the corresponding computer. Click Save and Connect to establish the connection. Now we select all remaining switcher inputs. The audio inputs don't need one. To wrap up, go to the AutoCut page and enable AutoCut. Choose a cut style and click Start AutoCut. We can see how AutoCut cuts between the two available cameras.
What's your opinion about this?
We have two cameras here. One camera is the stage camera, which doesn't move in this scenario.
When the currently talking person changes, AutoCut uses the stage camera to hide the moving of the speaker camera. As previously mentioned, this works with any number of cameras and speakers. Visit the MiruSuite docs for more information and setup guides.